This is the multifunction pipe positioner with automated rotation system. The project aims to develop a multifunctional welding assistant machine that improves efficiency, safety, and convenience during welding operations. It helps support welding materials, organize tools, reduce manual effort, and improve productivity inside workshop. The project addresses common welding problems such as difficulty in handling heavy materials, poor tool organization, limited accessibility, and unsafe working conditions. It helps reduce physical strain, save time, and improve overall workplace efficiency through motorized movement and adjustable support system. Connect the power source, wait for the system ready display, and turn on the system. Then turn on the motor to begin the operation of the rotating mechanism. Then turn it off. Next is use the angle button to adjust the preferred angle from 0 degree to 90 degree depending on the welding or cutting operation needed. Once the angle is properly adjusted, the user may now operate the prototype for welding, pipe rotation, or grinding activities. Then after using the prototype, set the angle back to 0 degree so the mechanism can return to its original position. Finally, turn off the system using the power button after completing the operation. The key features. Motor serves as the main component responsible for rotating the chuck during operation. Servo motor is responsible for adjusting and controlling the angle of the prototype. It allows angle positioning from 0 degree to 90 degree for flexible operation. Next is the chuck, the component where the pipe is placed and secured. It firmly holds the pipe during rotation to prevent movement. Next is the support, serve as the additional holder for the pipe. It helps maintain balance and allows smoother pipe rotation during operation. Then the acetylene support is where the acetylene equipment is placed. It helps maintain accurate and stable cutting operations. The digital screen displays all the system information and operating status. It shows the current angle settings and indicates whether the system is turned on. The angle button uses a membrane switch module for controlling the angle adjustment. It is used to set the desired angle of the prototype. The cabinet used for storing tools and machines, and the drawer used for dust collector and debris. Then the power button is used to turn the entire system on and off. Then the speed button is used to adjust the speed of the motor. Then the battery serves as the power source of the DC motor. The power source supplies electricity to the entire system. The caster wheels allow the table to move easily. The challenges that we encounter is the electrical wiring complexity. Connecting the multiple electronics components required careful wiring and troubleshooting. And that's all. Thank you for watching.